Welcome. I hope everyone is having a nice day. Today I will be covering simultaneous linear equations by solving them with the substitution and elimination methods. First of all, what are simultaneous linear equations? They are a set of two or more linear equations with common variables that are solved together to find a single set of values that satisfies all equations. Let's take this for example. X minus y equals to 1 and x plus 2y equals to 7. As you can see, there are two unknown variables, x and y. As mentioned earlier, the two methods I'll be teaching you to solve these equations are elimination and substitution. Let's start with the elimination method. The elimination method solves simultaneous linear equations by singling out one variable to solve for the other. First, we must label the equations. X minus y equals to 1 will be labeled as equation 1, and x plus 2y equals to 7 will be labeled as equation 2. Here are the equations from earlier. Of course, I labeled them. Now we will eliminate one of these variables. In this case, I'm going to eliminate x, as it is the easiest variable to eliminate. How do we do this? We're going to take equation number 2 minus equation. Oh my days, this thing is so difficult to use. We're going to take equation number 2 minus equation number 1, which will give us 6, because 7 minus 1 equals to 6. But what does 6 represent? 6 represents 3y. This is because when we simplify this, it is x plus 2y minus x minus y, which equals to x plus 2y minus x plus y, which is 2y plus y, so 3y. So since 3y equals to 6, that means y equals to 6 over 3. So y equals to 2. Now that we have the value of y, it is easy to solve for x. We're going to substitute y equals to 2 into equation number 1. You can substitute it into any other equation, but I'm doing equation number 1 because it's easier. Substitute y equals to 2 into 1. This is going to give us x minus 2 equals to 1, which equals to x equals to 1 plus 2. So x equals to 3. Our final answer will be y equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Now we shall move on to the substitution method, which solves these equations by expressing a variable in terms of the other, then substituting it into the second equation. Here are the same equations from earlier. This time, we're going to use the substitution method to find both of the variables. First off, we're going to take one of these variables and express it as another. In this case, I'm going to express x in terms of y. How are we going to do this? We're going to take equation 1, which is x minus y equals to 1, and move this y over to the other side. This will give us x equals to 1 plus y. Now we have a rough value of x. And with this, we can input this value into the second equation. So substitute. Okay, please don't do what I did here. I didn't write substitute in full. Please write substitute in full. I was just lazy to write out the whole entire thing. Don't be like me, please. Thank you. x equals to 1 plus y into 2. Sorry for my poor handwriting. Okay, so that will give us 1 of 1 plus y, because there is only one x inside equation number 2, plus 2y equals to 7. When we simplify this, we'll get 1 plus y plus 2y equals to 7. And we move the y over to the other side, which will give us y plus 2y equals to 7 minus 1. So 3y equals to 6. That means y equals to 2. Furthermore, our final answer will be y equals to 2 and x equals to 3.
Okay, I messed up once again. I don't know why I forgot to solve for x, but simply you just put y equals to 2, substitute that into equation number 1, x minus 2 equals to 1, and we move the minus 2 onto the other side, so x equals to 3. That's basically it. It's because I've done this set of problems so many times that I probably just forgot to explain it. I directly just wrote down the answer.
Over here, I've put down some extra practice questions. I'll put the answers and the explanations inside the comments. Good luck and have fun.
Hello, thank you for staying for the whole entire video. This is the first video I'll post on this channel, and basically just for some insight, this channel is gonna be mostly covering math and science. I mean, at least that's what I plan for. There might be more stuff upcoming. Keep watching, please. I need those views.